Welcome to my early Let's Eat. Today we are eating in Sihanoukville. And we're spending one night here and we're eating some food that we waited for a good amount of time for. This is my green tea. Oh, I wanted to try your drink thing. That milk tea is also good. So I got porridge, congee, with frog, a stew frog, and then more chicken feet, spicy chicken feet.
So it's supposed to be like sour, but it tastes like sweet, huh?
It's not supposed to be sour, it's sweet. The sour one is singing thing. Then we have eel, and frog. And then he gave us some jerky on the house. That was really good too. Pretty cool. It's so hot.
The chicken feet?
The
Oh,
congee.
you mean like heat,
Yeah, the
temperature.
heat temperature. I don't know why I got congee for it. I thought they were gonna mix the congee and the frog together, but they didn't.
They probably usually do, but they should probably do it separately.
Yeah,
'Cause
gonna be walking with it. It'll be a fantastic time to have that bag of ice to put it in the congee. This is pink is cool blueberry. Was it blue actually? Blue tea, blue butterfly blue tea. Oh, that's good though. Do you not like it or do you like it? Yeah, it's okay. This is the eel. It's G. The eel is good. Thì mà bao. Chị có biết không? This is the froggy. Không có gì chị. Hai cặp. This is the frog that actually goes with it. With the soup. Oh. You guys tried this one? It's very sweet. I prefer it to be the spicy one.
no one over here.
Yeah.
Let me put the chicken feet over here.
I don't know, man. The best thing is the eel
Like the eel the best.
and the chicken feet.
Chicken feet looks really good.
No. It's okay. It's like that. Plain dry.
I think it's interesting that they cut the chicken feet open. Well, yeah, not as a whole, yeah.
Anyone else told me that it's not dry. What does it mean? Does it mean or is it dry? Oh, man. Oh, I'm very smart.
This is your chicken?
Yeah.
It's dry as egg.
Hey, you know what I mean? It's like sand. It's okay too, right? Like it's like no flavor.
You okay to eat? Dude, people, it's like dehydrated chicken.
Like you're Russian or something.
Oh, that's so funny.
What kind of chicken did he get?
Just a plain chicken. Cut up chicken. Just a plain cut up chicken. That's all he got. This would be like a chicken breast or something, or thigh or something.
You find that for yourself.
You can't even tell what kind of part of chicken it is.
Try yourself. That was a chocolate head.
I think it must be the thigh because you cannot be that dry. It still has some.
Don't.
I know.
I know, right? What they do? They should kick my last. I don't know if they're walking, they clean, you know what I mean? And they try, oh, yeah, I don't know. But
I don't think so. I think they just overcooked it.
Oh,
That's
God,
so funny.
my stomach shake. They don't stall you. They chocolate.
What was your father? And we did order a lot of food. Is papaya spicy for you? Papaya?
It's good.
Yeah. What spicy is that from? Was it spicy enough for you?
No.
No.
The ear still has bone.
It has bone? I literally just ate it, the whole thing. 我就想不差了。
that's real.
Yeah,
You remember, yeah.
I ate the whole thing without even realizing there's bone in there.
You might have
Maybe it's the piece you got.
This is the whole spine on it.
Yeah.
Is it included or you got a part of
I'm not just to it.
You inhale.
We're too good to him.
Let this sun outside.
Macaroni is so hot that it's not spicy. It's not spicy. The hotness just kills it. I'm spreading it in the AC. I'm not a big fan of the chicken feet because they dried it so they deep fried it too fast. They shouldn't have cut it.
Yeah, the pants we should not do it too.
Hmm?
They should just dip it as small pieces. They don't juice up.
Hmm.
Don't feel dry fry.
The sauce is actually good, but unless they want us to eat the bones.
Yeah.
Unless they want us to eat the bones too.
Yeah,
I mean,
eat
I
the
can, yeah. I just feel like just dead. So then you want more chicken feet?
Huh?
You want more chicken feet?
Still working. I'm the one I have.
Is it? 不喜欢。
You know what I have?
I'm trying to be a bit
It's good.
Oh, it's raw shrimp.
Oh, we should put some ice to your thing here.
You put what?
Ice into this thing.
Oh yeah, no.
No.
That's what I said. I need
This is how
to.
it's supposed to eat fire. Oh, sure.
That's what I said. I need to. I need ice.
But this thing's really good.
Turkey.
Papaya is good, I think. Papaya is good.
Beef jerky is so good.
Good voice of the person.
The beef jerky is really good. From Mr. Hondo, he's trying to get us hooked on the
It's not
jerky.
best part.
The jerky, the free one. He goes,
It's free. Like, look at it.
because it's free. Free food is always best.
Free, that's nice. It's also actually free. Yeah, mom used to make me drink, but I didn't know we are. I remember.
Okay. I just thought the eel was crunchy like that. I didn't think it was the spine. I just ate the whole thing.
You could. Put the ball on the
Yeah. I just ate the whole thing like I ate the bot cha ate. Put the guy. Your comment is still funny in my head. This is how it looks like to eat fire. Oh, could comment from Tom Bird. I mean, I like the eel and the stir fry frog most. And the jerky. The free jerky. I'm thinking papaya is pretty good too. Ooh, I'm like sweating. It's not because it's spicy, it's just because I feel so hot eating this congee.
Cái nó vừa bên là sự kiện họ ăn nó xa, nó là cũng long nó.
Yeah.
Nó dạ, nó cũng đâu biết gì. Nó gọi là nó.
I get it. I think that's why they cut it and they cut the bone open. They just want you to eat the whole thing. Look how crispy it is. You eat all the bones.
But the big ones,
Yeah.
you can't eat it.
The chicken feet, you just eat the whole thing.
We gotta choose it. I ain't gonna bring that out.
Yeah. Just gotta be careful with the bones though. Don't want to choke on it. I get it.
Only ice out.
No, because it's not good. It's that. Thank you.
Like biết tục cái chuyện đấy ở nhà ở trong máu thì chỉ là
That's one thing I don't really like to carry.
I think because it's too hot. So then they try some. That's probably why they have the little food carrying thing that's heated, you know? Keep everything cool, everything warm. About. No.
What should we kill me?
Hmm?
All this stuff. Okay, I'm missing this stuff. Yeah, they homage.
About like
If we do have some time, this is the last month we're gonna see.
mm.
I put on people.
You wanna go first?
Huh?
You wanna go first?
Nếu là push, nếu là last week push rồi à?
You want some right?
Yeah, I do make cut my get out.
Did you let her know when it's coming?
Nếu tụi ai thì take the Katina. So it's a tough one. But I think at the Katina, I'm back on a regular schedule for the most part. Yeah, so after October, everything's going back to its regular schedule for the most part. So I figured we'll just go by the schedule, which is like, we do put the schedule down, so what's my girl? I let you watch it. But we still try how we gotta travel there. Kakari de Gasa, stop by your stuff, so I was like, well, if you're gonna do that, then might as well.
I said once we start traveling, wherever the bus stops, we'll take a stop there. So the bus to Ubon is gonna do a stop in six Saika something, you know? If I do a day there, put in more, explore, and then go back to Ubon, not back Ubon. We'll get lost as we go. Ain't gonna lie with you guys about that.
I tell you what, the most soft-spoken words ever. Everybody speaks so softly.
I'm very soft spoken people.
So she knows enough English, so we won't struggle at her tempo.
She knows a lot of English. She's a nun in charge.
No, she's not in charge. She just lives in the monastery. But like she's really like she's been there for a while, so she knows the ropes.
Okay. Kind of like the one guy we met
Okay.
at the Kempar temple, who just stayed there for the meditation retreat.
No, she's actually a monastic.
Oh, she is a monastic. Oh.
Yeah. Okay, the whole thing's one main
So this is very important for the one practice.
She is a nun then.
Yeah, she's a nun. She's an actual nun.
That's what I said. What's her background?
Her background, she's Thai. And she was going to school, but she was having an issue. She wanted to commit suicide. And then she, well, she grew up as a Buddhist, but then like the mom decided to move to another, but then she's out one. So she's the opposite of me. So she's the opposite. You know how you grow up within your culture that you don't really want to participate. I mean, like imagine like you have to become a shaman or whatever, you know, just kind of
Yeah.
not interested. But then like
So she's
so
coming.
then, I guess she went through a period of life where like she in her early 20s where like she went commit suicide. And I guess instead of commit suicide, she went to go see Hindu Nana. Yeah, less well known. And then I guess somehow she
Change her mind.
Yeah, I guess she was able to convince her to change her mind and put those thoughts aside. And then I guess she has the. I guess it's kind of like all monastic. They always feel they owe something to the teachings, you know, to the Dhamma, to the Sangha, right? To the Buddha, so they go and become monastic to serve the religion, you can say, or the Buddha and his teachings and his religion, I guess you could say, for the lack of a better word. I don't really like to use the word religion because in the West it's just there's too much negative connotations around that because of Christianity. So I guess she during COVID, she was able to ordain right before COVID happened. Then so she couldn't. So she was able to do that. Like in the hall, 5th year. Actually, I think she's on her 6th year, maybe. Yeah. 4th, yeah. 4th or 5th year, I think. Yeah. So she's really new too. But one lot in total, she did do what the whole 7 years. From the beginning to the brown nose. Yeah, I noticed that most of the time it's always those people that stay forever as monastic that they never feel like they owe something to the Sangha, like they owe their life to it. Like it gave them a second chance, you know, life. And other people that usually stay forever. even if they now become fully aligned, they like to be in that type of environment, you know, to serve the sun god.
Well, that's more in almost any religion too.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing like they will search for peace there, calm there, do away with the stress. They usually they just go within a couple of years.
Because what I talk was like, you know those Mormon kids that always come knock on doors, right? I tried to I asked them like why they're so into that, and a lot of times because like something tragic happened, you know, and they use God as faith, and then it helped them kind of
Because it has to be kind of like that too for you to stay
right. Very committed, yeah.
Because like for like, Ajahn King, he had some kind of cancer, some disease, and the doctor told him he only had like 6 months to live. I think he was actually a really smart person. He was like an engineer or something like that. So he had money. You know? And then he was like, oh, I had 6 months to live. He tried everything. Doctor said, yeah, we can't solve this. You know? Went to the monastery. We went and stayed in the monastery for I think like a week or something, or 10 days. And they do more they did a lot of chanting like that. Yeah, and then they come back. They just saw everything.
Really?
So he was like one of those things. I mean, he's like, oh sure, I'm not sick for life though.
Not that hard. Because you're not food. Oh no, I'm sorry.
It's all hot.
I was like, I could not God, I did the God part, and he just like looked at me like, I just want to eat the frog too.
Frog good.
How good is it? Okay? Oh my god, just getting bluer.
I know.
Oh, why better you?
You know those corners of the bedpost?
Oh yeah.
I know.
Which one? Which one?
Okay.
That's happening to me.
You're comfy.
No, because it's dark. Because you're low. You know, I was like, come in the little space, come on.
Maybe I'm just too tall. Maybe I'm just too short that it doesn't bother me. Like you hit 21.
Because like in between our beds, you have to go sideways. You can't just go straight. Like, I had to go like. Cause like you're probably more narrower than me. But like yeah, I couldn't walk normally.
Oh, mấy phải lo.
So that's a bit more than a little step, man. Like an inch high. I'm like, oh my goodness, why would you guys do this?
I thought I was a chunky one. This one is cool.
Because then Zohana, they don't want to.
Yeah, water go out.
Out. No, because my low iron too, so I bruise easily.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want ice on it?
No, it's fine.
I'm gonna go to Forest Tiger soon.
I love my rice.
This I give you a 3 out of 5. This is good.
Me and your car. They did a good job, the frog.
I made it.
speedboat.
Huh?
You gonna ride a speedboat tomorrow? No, I know, right? Oh, this is the island market.
Dehydration.
Oh, dehydration.
This is the island market build a fire.
I didn't breathe fire.
Build a fire.
Huh?
Like a build forest fire.
That's lost.
No, that's different. This is a different one. I got a different one. Yeah, I'm gonna eat all the cucumbers.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat eels too.
Yeah.
Say you want eel? Saying can eat her sad chicken tomorrow.
I put the chicken in with the sauce to make it taste better.
To make it better. I didn't even use the pepper.
Can't wait to try this people.
Look at the stick. Did I eat it or did it come off? It was like I ate it, but I think it just came off.
Yeah, just came off.
I don't think I have to stick it in my mouth.
Oh,
Right?
just chew it. Let's take chewing
It was like a bit off.
Again,
So.
this is gonna be good.
Mm.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, like, no rest, but there's nothing in here. You don't want to eat the rest, but there's only the jaw with like the herbs in here. There's nothing left.
No, there's a couple of these. More, no.
Dude, there's nothing. There's like one piece. What's up? No. This case. Who's here to eat raw, huh? That's more. I'm gonna check out him. Lemon 3. Hey, I sent you all the information.
He doesn't know how to read.
I sent you all the information.
I don't want to do this.
This pass. What we're saying, you can't do fire. Sorry. No, it's too fancy.
I'm not doing it inside the house. I'm doing it outside. Like in a beach to water. I would dig a hole and then put sticks. Before, is it prohibited? Is it fire prohibited?
I'm sure they do it too. You can do it. Today and I saw people just, this one guy just throwing like these mlaw into the river.
Oh, what?
Mlaw. Like statues.
Why does he do that?
I was thinking how like,
I should throw a stop on.
I think the party has like some kind of ceremony and how to rinse away like bad stuff or something. Mlaw, huh? Statue of mlaw.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Well, you know, this actual statue is like more like pagoda, looking like yo. Look like pagodas. It's doing the water. Everyone seemed like it was normal. So everyone's sure.
Hey, give me those pagodas. Throw them in the water.
He put it in a big trash bag. And he just took it out. He just thrown it away. I wasn't sure what to say about it. That was really good. Thanks for eating me. I hope you enjoy your food. Bye.